I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by removing any case and wiping the lens because dust or obstruction is the most common cause. Use a microfiber cloth in small circular motions. Once done, close the camera app fully by swiping it away and reopen it to force a fresh autofocus cycle. If autofocus still seems stuck, restart your iPhone to reset the camera process and hardware state. This simple reset often clears temporary software conflicts, so autofocus can recalibrate properly. Now switch to manual control by tapping the subject on screen and holding to lock AE/AF. This forces a single consistent focus point and helps diagnose hardware versus software issues. Make sure to test in Apple's native camera app because third-party apps can override autofocus behavior. If autofocus works natively, update or reinstall the offending app. Also inspect camera settings for portrait or macro modes and optical stabilization options, since mode-specific lenses and algorithms change how the iPhone focuses at different distances. Finish by updating iOS to the latest version because software patches often fix focus algorithms, and then test autofocus in bright, even light across near and far subjects to confirm calibration. If problems persist, reset all settings to clear misconfigurations without erasing data. This rebuild system defaults that affect camera functions. As a last step, if autofocus remains inconsistent after these efforts, schedule service with Apple or an authorized technician, since physical lens or sensor faults require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.